The Sharif experiment, is that the Roberts cave or is that the point of light? It is the point of light. Ignore the Roberts cave. That'll come up later in the semester. Excellent question. It's the point of light, the autokinetic effect, informational influence, stuff like that. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, okay, so yes, for the readings that have names and dates, you need to be able to identify off just the names and dates. So those three, you need to be able to know Jones and Harris 67, but what is not your question? What? Right. Okay, so for the ones below all readings, they'll be identified roughly pretty much the way they are identified here. I try to stick to this sheet as much as possible and not playing tricks like identify knowing people as Lavoie 99 or something like that. Yeah. That would be very tricky. Yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm. Depends on what that simple definition is. What, Yes, that would be fine. Yeah, that would be fine. That would be rephrasing this. I'd be happy with that. It would be good if you somehow communicated it was also an error as an underestimate. Underestimate notes that you're not doing it enough, so that would be good as well. Yeah. But yeah, that would be fine. There's a question. Yes, sir. Yes, the Jones-Harris-Castro essay study, also from this lecture. In this, participants were given an anti or a pro-Castro essay that an earlier participant in the study had supposedly written, and they were asked to assess what do you think the writer's attitude was, their true attitude towards Castro. So if you're a participant in the study, you walk in, you're given an essay that's either highly supportive of Castro or highly critical of Castro. It's the 60s. This is a very contentious topic, and you're asked, what did that writer really think about Castro? And you're also told, this is critical, that the person was randomly assigned either to write an anti or pro-Castro essay, or else they wouldn't get credit for participating in the experiment. So you know they didn't have choice in what they wrote about. But what we find in the experiment is that people still tend to make correspondent attributions. People tend to still make dispositional attributions. They tend to assume that the person's behavior, having wrote this essay, corresponds with their actual disposition, their real thoughts and feelings. So they conclude if you write a pro-Castro essay, you must be supportive of Castro, even if you were assigned to. Yes, ma'am. Yes, that is an example of correspondence bias and fundamental attribution error. And if you were to somehow not make the mistake for yourself, like if you were randomly assigned to write an essay about Castro, and then you didn't, change your own perception, your own attitude towards Castro, then it would be an example of of the active observer bias, because you'd be making these corresponding attributions to other people, but not to yourself. Does that make sense? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, normative and informational influence. Can I talk a little bit more about that? Yes, I can. So normative and informational influence, this is really one of the most critical distinctions to get here, and I'm like winking and nudging at you as I say that you really want to get this, because it's real important. Okay. So, normative influence is conformity to the views or expectations of others in pursuit of social approval or avoidance of disapproval or embarrassment or sanctioning. It's when you conform because of social concerns, because you don't want to look like an idiot or you want to look good or be accepted in the group or whatever. Informational influence is the use of other people's behaviors or attitudes as information or evidence about reality, so you can get it right, so you can perceive the world accurately. And there are experiments from this lecture that correspond very well with these two definitions. So what is the experiment that corresponds best with normative influence? Ash, exactly. The Ash experiment. So the Ash experiment, in the Ash experiment, people conform even though they're confronted with stimulus that is opposed to what, they know the right answer, but they go along with the right answer, or they go along with the wrong answer, which they should know to be wrong because they've got 8 people staring at them and kind of intimidating them. And they say, oh, if I don't say the right answer, or if I don't say the wrong answer, then I'm going to face social disapproval, embarrassment, sanctioning, whatever. So the Ash experiment is a good example of normative influence. They don't conform because they really believe that they got the question wrong, even though some of them reported that. We don't believe that that's the case. They go along to avoid social disapproval or pursue social approval. What is the classic example of informational influence? Sharif. In the Sharif experiment, you have no damn idea how much the red light moved. Or the red dot, you don't know, because the autokinetic effect is ambiguous to you. You rely on everybody else's views in order to try to get the right answer. Other questions? Yes, ma'am. What are the basic principles of balance theory? I mean, here, this is pretty much like the whole balance theory lecture, kind of. So the principles of balance theory are that, there's 3 basic elements in a cognitive system, P, O, and X, and P seeks balance among the elements in this cognitive system, and then the principles of balance theory also, how does that work? Roughly how do you do that? And the idea is, if you're in an unbalanced situation, well, here's a balance situation, and how do you know it's a balance situation? Because if you multiply the signs around, it'll equal a positive, okay? You and your date both like the same movie, that's balanced, that's great, no problems here. But if you like a movie, and you like your date, but your date doesn't like a movie, that's imbalance. And imbalance situations tend to move towards balance, and we tend to flip the cognition that's like most flippable, So, or the aspect of the situation that's most flippable. So you might start disliking your date, or you might try to convince your date to like the movie that you watched, or change your attitude towards the movie. And if you can somehow get it to where all the signs multiply around equal a positive, then it'll be balanced again. So that's the basic principles of balance theory. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. What prompt are you referring to? Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. You were talking about balance theory there. No, for this question, so the question for the long answer, this is roughly how I take your question. Should you be talking about balance theory or cognitive dissonance theory? Talk about balance theory. Don't talk about cognitive dissonance theory. Yeah. Is it okay for number 1 to just draw the triangles and stuff? You can draw. Can I speak in triangles? Yeah. You just blew my mind. Seriously. That's okay, but you need to still give all. If we took out the triangles, we'd still need a full answer, if that makes sense. The triangles can support your answer and help clarify. You got it right and all that. But I need you to, in natural language, explain the answer. It's a good question, though. I think it would be nice if you did throw in the triangles. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sorry. That's supposed to say right. Okay. So number 2. For the examples, where the heck do you want these examples to come from? You have to supply your version of that question. Yeah. So note below, it says note examples can come from your life, a movie, the Cialdini book, in class, a safe lecture, etc. That should have been in both places. So, somebody got me. You got me. All right. I meant to put a clarifying note about that. This is amazing. I made one mistake so far. We'll see how that goes. There'll probably be more. So yes, for number 2, as you give examples for the study sheet, for the purpose of the test, if I ask essay question number 2, I'll be sure to put a note saying where these examples come from, and that note will be the same note that's on long answer question number 3. Does this make sense? Okay, cool. So just imagine that's in both places. Excellent question. Did you have it's like an auction kind of. Some people are like, and I'm like calling on them, they don't want to be called on. Like, yes, ma'am. Oh, we can talk about social cognition. Definitely. Let's talk about social cognition. All of us. Just me. Okay, just me. I'll just talk about social cognition. Social cognition is in the attributions lecture as well, I think, right? That turned out to be a very important lecture. It's here. Okay, I think it's here. Let's see. Social cognition is the study of the ways in which we process, store, and remember information about people. That's social cognition. And we think that, yeah, I know, it's pretty simple. And we think that, well, when social psychologists study exceptions to rationality, when they study cognitive biases, they often, what they call it is the study of social cognition. And it's true that, that's great, you don't like my answer. Nonetheless, though, it is the case. More questions. We have a couple minutes. Or I think we do. Yeah, we have like 2 minutes. Yes, sir. I did talk about things we're supposed to look for in film. Look for obedience and disobedience, conformity and nonconformity. Write down examples of those things. That would be a good way to get the most out of the film. Okay. All right, just ruffling. You can't be controlled. Responsibility is diffused. You're out of here. Okay, I'll see you on Tuesday. Study hard for the exam. You should all make A's. There's no reason you can't. Study hard. Show up on Tuesday and kick ass.